Hello students, good morning. See, we are learning your topic work and energy. See, in previous video we have seen information about kinetic energy. All of you know that what is energy? Energy is nothing but capacity to do work. And after that we have seen some forms of energies. There are various forms of energy. Energy what? Energy is nothing but capacity to do work. Means energy is related with the work and work is related with the energy. These two terms are interrelated with each other. See, there are mainly two types of work. All of you know that. First one is the which type? Not two types of work. There are mainly two types of energies. Very sorry. The first one is the kinetic energy and another one is the potential energy. In previous video lecture we have discussed about what is mean by kinetic energy with the help of various example. All of you know that the energy which an object has due to its motion is known as kinetic energy. Okay, all of you know that the kinetic energy is nothing but the work done by the object. Okay, when the object is in motion, the some work will occur by that object. Therefore the kinetic energy is equal to nothing but work done of that object. Are you getting this? The kinetic energy is nothing but the energy which an object due to its motion known as kinetic energy. In this video lecture we are going to discuss or we are going to learn the equation for kinetic energy. What is the point? Equation for kinetic energy. See, what is the equation? I will write here. The equation is kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv square. Okay, kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv square. We are going to discuss this equation. See, this is the equation for kinetic energy. All of you know that the definition of kinetic energy. What is equation? 1/2 mv square, in which all of you know that m is nothing but mass and v is nothing but the velocity of that object. Okay, and the product of mass and velocity is what? See, the product of mass and velocity is nothing but the momentum. आपल्याला नको आहे ते, just I have told you. Okay, equation is kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv square. For that I consider one object, okay, which is in a steady motion. See, I consider here the object is in a steady motion. I will consider here the object A, which is in a stationary position, and this object A having some mass, and that mass is nothing but the m. Okay, this object has mass m. After that the object having, when I apply the force on that object is F. The applied force is F. When the force is applied, the object start to moving from point A or from initial point A to final point A dash. Okay, when the displacement this is known as displacement. See, here is the initial velocity u. The initial velocity of object is u, and all of you know that initial velocity is always equal to 0. See, here is the initial velocity and here is the final velocity when the displacement is occur, and displacement is write down in symbol s. Therefore I will write here the final velocity of that object is v is equal to, not equal to, because only initial velocity is 0. V is V. See, at that time, due to this, there is some acceleration is occur. Acceleration is known as A, and the displacement I will write in a symbol S. Okay, here is the diagrammatic representation. See, then the work done by this object is become W is equal to F into S. What I say here, when the object initially it is in steady motion, when I applied some kind of force, it started moving from initial points to final point. At that time some displacement occur, and the displacement all this process is nothing but the work done by that particular object. Therefore I wrote here W is equal to F into S. All of you know that W is equal to F into S is nothing but the work is equal to force into displacement. W is work, F is force, S is displacement. Now what next? See, all of you know that by using what is the values for F and S. Okay, by using the Newton's second law of motion. Second law of motion. What is the second law of motion? It is all about the momentum, law of momentum, and all of you know that by second law of motion is equal to F is equal to m into A from Newton's second law of motion. From second law of motion, and this one is the equation number 1. Are you getting this? How the F is equal to ma. See, now what about the S? All of you studied the value of S in a previous topic. That one is nothing but the laws of motion. In laws of motion we have studied the 3 equation by using graphical method, and that equation is known as Newton's equation of motion. Okay, in that second we have the value of S. What is the value of S? S is equal to ut plus 1/2 at square. Okay, from what I write here, I will write here from Newton's second equation of motion. Okay, are you getting this? How the value of F we will get, how the value of S we will get. Okay, now by putting these two values in equation, this equation, therefore now what is the value of U? I will write here S is equal to, what is the value of U? 0 into T plus 1/2 at square. Okay, 0 into T becomes 0, therefore equation becomes S is equal to, this value is 0, S is equal to 1/2 at square. This is the equation number 2. This one is the equation number 1. By combining, now by combining the equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, I will write here. Therefore, from equation 1 and equation 2, W is equal to, what is the value of F? F is equal to ma into, what is the S? The value of S is 1/2 at square. Okay, this is the value of F. F is equal to ma, and what is S? S is equal to 1/2 at square. Now the equation becomes W is equal to, I will take this 1/2 here, 1/2 m, a is a common, therefore m into 80 square. What will be the equation we will get here? See, 1/2 mv square, and here is the 1/2, there is the 1/2. Here m, there is a 1, there is a m. What remains? Remains here is the 80 square and there is the v square. Now see, this one is the equation number 3. Okay. Now by using here I will use the Newton's first equation of motion. First equation of motion. What is the first equation of motion? That one is nothing but v is equal to u plus at. Okay, this is the Newton's first equation of motion. Now what is the value of u? All of you know that. Why I here use the equation first of motion of Newton? Why I here use the Newton's first equation of motion? Because we want the value of v, and the equation first we were studying in the first topic. See, the value of u is the initial velocity. U is equal to 0. Therefore I will write here 0 plus 80. The equation becomes 0 plus 80 is equal to 80. If I will write here v is equal to 80, I can also write v square is equal to 80 square. This one is the equation number 4. Okay. Now by combining equation number 3 and equation number 4. Okay. See, v square is equal to 80 square. W is equal to 1/2 m 80. I will write here by combining equation number 3 and 4. What I write here? By combining equation number 3 and 4. What is the equation 3? This one. What is the equation 4? This one. Our equation is kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv square. Now W is equal to 1/2 m into 80 square. 80 bracket square, and here is the v square is equal to 80 square. Now what is the value of 80 square? Is equal to v square. Therefore I will write here W is equal to 1/2 m, and the value of 80 square is equal to v square. This is our equation. What we will get here? W is equal to 1/2 mv square. Therefore I will write here is the W is equal to 1/2 mv square. There is the kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv square. Therefore I will write here kinetic energy from equation 3 and 4. Here is the equation 5. From equation 5, kinetic energy is equal to W. Therefore the kinetic energy gained by an object, what I say here, the kinetic energy gained by an object is equal to work done by that object. Okay. Therefore I will write here the kinetic energy gained by that object is equal to work done by object. Why I write here this sentence? I write this statement or this sentence by this equation. These both are equal. Therefore I will write here our equation kinetic energy is equal to W. And what is W? W is equal to 1/2 mv square. This is our final equation, and that one is nothing but the equation for kinetic energy. See, our equation kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 square, and here is the kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv square is a proof. Okay, now we will stop here, remaining part seen in the next lecture. Thank you very much.